In this aid, we will voice our kind of own and market's viewpoint on XCH future while examining the Chia organization cost conjecture for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to generally take this in any and every practical sense, other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything really is a difficult errand, entirely alone foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Chia organization, which is very critical. Presently, we should head into it, which fundamentally is very critical. Before we dig exceptionally profound into the Chia organization value forecast and answer questions in the event that XCH is a fundamentally wise venture or not. For what reason will XCH by and large succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Chia organization value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what XCH is and its to-date history amazingly. XCH value expectation for the following 10 days, which truly is very critical. The essentially entire crypto world really is on an edge of a total breakdown, or so they thought. Bitcoin sort of has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be somewhat more blood in the city of the crypto town, which basically is very huge. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into genuinely more steady business sectors in a kind of enormous manner. Crypto basically is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and consequently the auction, or so they generally thought. Our algo still sees some genuinely green in 2023, particularly in the kind of second piece of the year in an unobtrusive manner. This is especially reflected in our 2023 forecasts amazingly. At the present time, Bitcoin actually needs to basically find a base before we can move the other way and sort of alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to really do likewise. We have seen this situation many truly times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model in every practical sense is negative for the truly next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, or so they most certainly thought. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike, which sort of is very huge. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess in a real sense are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative especially potential, and a few other extremely exclusive variables created in our crypto lab, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. 2022-12-01 plus 3.40% $31 37 2022 1202 1.09% $30 01 2022 1203 in an unobtrusive manner. 3.46% $29 29 2022 1204 plus 4.24% $31 62 2022 1205 4.06% $29 11 2022 1206 plus 2.08% $30 97 2022 1207 plus 1.73% $30 86 2022 1208 3.31% $29 33 2022 1209, or so they really thought. 0.09% $30 31 2022 1210, or so they most certainly thought. 8.11% $27.88 Chia organization value forecast 2022 high expansion and very hazardous full-scale circumstance fundamentally considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we certainly take the inside crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively generally excellent for the bulls. We will presumably for the most part see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip kind of lower with each especially minor market quake, which basically is very critical. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Underneath in every way that really matters is a month-by-month breakdown of the absolute last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2022 deck. 8.91% $27.64 2023 Jan, which is genuinely critical. 23.92% $23.08 2023 Feb. 27.18% $22.09 2023 blemish, 23.55% $23.19 2023 APRA, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. 20.04% $24.26 2023 May in an unobtrusive manner. 15.90% $25.51 2023 Jun, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. 4.56% $28.96 2023 Joel in an unpretentious manner. 0.99% $30.04 2023 Og in an extremely significant manner. Plus 3.12% $31.28 2023 Sep, which sort of is genuinely critical. Plus 6.90% $32.43 2023 Oct, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. Plus 9.52% $33.23 2023 Na. Plus 14.00% $34.59 XCH value forecast 2025 in a significant manner. Our forecast model sees XCH coming to $57.64 in 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. What will XCH sort of be especially worth in 5 years, which certainly is very critical. The cost of XCH in 5 years could generally lie around $52.92. Chia coin value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Chia organization will explicitly be really worth in 2030, which especially is very critical. Our anticipating model sees Chia organization coming to $144.11 in 2030, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. What Chia organization will be certainly worth in 2040 in a kind of significant manner. Our determining model sees Chia organization coming to $288.22 in 2040, which is genuinely critical. Will Chia organization fundamentally supplant, truly outperform, explicitly surpass Bitcoin in an unpretentious manner? No, Chia organization won't sort of supplant or overwhelm BTC, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Might Chia range at any point reach $1,000? Indeed, it generally is conceivable that Chia organization can in every practical sense reach $1,000, however, just in a separated future, after 2030 in an especially large way. Is Chia organization worth purchasing? We are backers of respectably dangerous money management. Explicitly put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC. 35% in a bushel of sort of enormous cap coins and the rest in little ventures with immense potential gain in a significant manner. Along these lines, in this unique situation, Chia organization basically is somewhat worth purchasing. Most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. This Chia organization a very wise interest in a very significant manner. Chia organization is, very much like for all plans and purposes other digital currencies, a hazardous venture, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the by and large great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a sort of strong group behind it in a significant manner. How in every practical sense, much will Chia organization generally be worth, or so they sort of thought. For the transient future, it could basically reach $18.39. In the really long haul, it could leap to $144.11 or even essentially higher. For what reason will Chia organization really succeed and get